Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 5 first impressions. So I am testing out 5 products that I have never tried before. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see me test out some new products that I've never tried, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing a 5 first impressions. I did film this eyeshadow look, so if you guys want to see that, I will link it down below because it will probably be up first. I have 5 things, all that I've received in BoxyCharms or from BoxyCharm. I think this I got from a referral, so I'm gonna go in with this first. So this is the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer, and like I said, I think I got this as a referral gift from BoxyCharm. So this is what it looks like. It's like bright blue. That's so like an aqua color. Apply to under eye area before corrector and concealer. Rub that in under my eyes softly. I'm excited. I hope this works good, because my under eyes are so annoying. I use that under my eyes. I guess we will see probably once I conceal and put powder under my eyes and see how that looks. So it says it's supposed to melt into the skin while a blend of botanical extracts, vitamins, and peptides smooth, condition eye area, perfectly prepped for corrector and concealer application so makeup never creases or looks cakey. Wow, never creases. Okay, so we will check that out. My skin is washed and moisturized, ready for primer. That is the next first impressions I'm testing. This is the Touch in Sol Noporeblem Prime Essence. So we did just get the primer in BoxyCharm, the like regular primer, the Noporeblem primer. It says at last step of skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it is fully absorbed. So what is it supposed to do? Tightens up pores, keeps the skin silky and smooth for better long-lasting makeup. So I will just try that. Oh my goodness. Ew, it's like super liquidy. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna try to keep it away from my under eyes so I can see how that under eye corrector thing works. The under eye primer. Oh, I hope it works good. I'm like so excited. Okay. Now, this eyelash is pissing me off. Now that it's soaked into the skin, it feels like a moisturizer. It feels a little bit greasy. Now that is all prepped, I'm gonna go in and do my makeup. I'll just fast forward it. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box like it normally is, so I'm just gonna go through, fast forward me doing my makeup and show you the last 3 first impressions that I have to try. So I just put my base on and contoured. Now I'm gonna jump into the Tarte Pro Glow number 3. I did have, I think, the original Pro Glow, and I just actually never reached for it, like ever. So I ended up decluttering that one. So this one in here, I haven't even touched it. Okay. So this is what it looks like. We have 2 blushes up top. It looks like a matte and a satin possibly. 2 highlighters right here which look gorgeous. So I'm going to be using those and the blush. And then it looks like we have bronzers down here. This is a matte bronzer. It looks very, very warm though. So I'm gonna go in with that bronzer. I'm just gonna take this Eco Tools round powder brush, dip into that, and bronze, just warm the skin up. Let's see how this works. I wasn't sure how that shade was gonna look on me because it actually looks pretty dark. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going in with a really light hand with it because it did look so dark. Ooh, it's going on really nicely. Blending out really pretty. So this was from the Boxy Luxe. Did I just receive? I think it's the one that I just received. And I got to pick this product, I believe. I think it bronzed the skin really nicely. Very pretty. Like I said, I did go in with a light hand. So just going over everything, blending it out. Wow, okay, so I didn't know that I was gonna use everything in here. Let me find a blush brush that doesn't have something on it. Okay, so I used Autograph for the bronzer, and I think I'm gonna go in with Premier, which is that darker pink. Tarte blushes are really nice. They have really good pigment. They blend really well. They also last really, really well on the skin. So if I know I'm wearing my makeup for a really long time, I almost always go for a Tarte blush because I just love them. Okay, that color is so pretty. I love that so much. That is gorgeous. I like that one. Very, very pretty. Okay, I hate when all my favorite brushes are dirty. Plus, I just got back from vacation. I don't wash brushes when I'm on vacation. I wash brushes when I get back, and I have not washed them. Okay, so for the highlighter, this one looks more golden, champagne-y. The one next to it looks really pinky. So I think I'm gonna go in with Headliner, which is the more golden one, on this tapered brush from Wish. Oh, that's pretty. I think that it's highlighting my texture quite a bit, which isn't a total deal breaker for me. I can normally get that to work by spraying my sponge and going over the top of it. That really seems to help tone down the texture, but wow, that is blinding. Yeah, that is really pretty. But you can see every single bump on my face, which is not very cute. My complexion looks really good today. All the products that I used are working really good together, and I'm very excited about it. My under eyes still look really creasy, so as of right now, I don't see any difference at all. I actually think they might look a little bit worse. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. I'm using the Catrice Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. And after I spray that, I go over. See how much better that looks once I go over. And then I will just go and push everything into the skin, making sure it looks as flawless as possible. Yeah, so much better when I go over it with a sponge. Not as textured. It still shows some texture. I mean, my skin is textured. There is nothing, like, no way to get around that, but I think it helps tone it down a lot. Okay, and the last two first impressions I have to try are both lip products. I'm actually super excited. Okay, so the first one I'm testing out, this is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. This is in the shade Taupe. So we will see how that looks. And then I'm gonna go over the top of that with the Dominique Cosmetics. I think it's just a lip gloss in the shade Peach Tea. Why does your face always itch so bad once you put your makeup on? So rude. Looks like this. So we will see how these look together. Whoa, this turned out really brown. Ew, absolutely not. This is a Silky Satin Lip Color, and it is just not going with this look. The formula felt very soft, almost like it would slide around a lot, and I don't really like that. So I'm taking that off. I did not like that color with this look. I didn't really like that color on me at all actually, but maybe if I have the right look I might end up liking it. So yeah, I took that off. I'm gonna grab this ColourPop lipstick called Still Crazy, which is a lot pinkier. That's a little bit better. And then going over the top of it with this lip gloss. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, that is juicy looking. I'm always down for a nice gloss. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of this eye look and I will be right back to kind of give you my first thoughts on these first impressions. Okay guys, so I just finished up my makeup and this is the finished look. I'm gonna go through and tell you kind of my first impressions so far on these products. So the first product I tested out was this Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. As of right now, I don't see a huge difference on my under eyes. It says it was supposed to help with creasing. I still see the same amount of creasing. I still see the same amount of texture that I always see. So I don't see a huge difference. I will continue to test this out with different products to see how I like it and update you guys if I need to in a future video. But so far I'm not seeing a lot from this. The primer, I was actually surprised. Okay, I put it on and I was like, I don't like this. Instantly it was super liquidy. It felt very tacky and sticky, and then it kind of felt greasy. Once it set down though, I think that it did help really reduce the appearance of my pores. It sunk into the skin really well and it actually made my skin feel very moisturized. So I did like this so far. I will continue to test it out, but right now I like it and I think my skin looks really good. So next I tested out the Tarte Pro Glow Volume 3 and so far I am loving it. The highlighter is beautiful. The bronzer worked really nicely for me for how warm it looked, and the blush is beautiful. I used the shade Premier for blush and that one is pretty. Like, I love that one. I'm gonna be reaching for that a lot. I can already tell. And Tarte has the best blushes. Like, I love their blushes. They're great. And the last two items I tested out were lip products. So the Becca lipstick, I took it off instantly. I did not like the color. I didn't like it with this look, and I don't know. I just didn't like it. I didn't like the feel of it. It felt like it was very slippy. Like it was just gonna slide all over the place. So I took it off. I will test it out again with a look that matches this color. But the lip gloss that I used is beautiful. Like, that is juicy. I love the color. It's so cute. I think it'll be perfect over some really pretty nude colors. But I'm digging it so far. I really like that. So that was everything for this first impressions video. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products and what you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any new videos. Like I said, I did film this eye look, so if you guys want to see that, I will link it down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment with any suggestions for products or looks that you want me to try out in an upcoming video, and I will be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.